सबसे पहले मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा अपने वाइस चांसलर साहब जनाब प्रोफेसर तारिक मंसूर साहब से कि आज के इस प्रोग्राम का आगाज अपने कलाम से करें। सर प्लीज।
Former Vice Chancellor, Aligarh Muslim University, Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah Sahab. Vice Chancellor, Nelson University, Professor Faizan Mustafa. Principal Engineering College and Chairman of the Alumni Affairs Committee, Professor Sufyan Beg. CEO EFS Group, Mr. Tariq Chauhan. Resolve Corporation President, Mr. Syed Ali Rizvi Sahab. CEO Vertex Events, Mr. Pushkin Aga. Contestants, Mr. Asif Saud, Afia Rizvi, Yaqub Murtaza, Subuhi Wasim, Ammar Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all of you. I will restrict myself to 5 minutes as has been advised by the organizers because we have to listen to the contestants. So I have been told to speak only for 5 minutes and I will restrict myself to that time only. At the very outset, I wish to congratulate the organizers of the online contest of Sir Syed Memorial Lecture as part of the AMU Centenary celebrations, marking the 100th wonderful year after the foundation of the Aligarh Muslim University on December 1st, 1920. Mr. Pushkin Aga and his colleagues at Vertex Events need to be congratulated for organizing this event. Mr. Pushkin Aga has been organizing several events in the past, which have been very well attended and also have seen the participation of eminent personalities. And these events have played a role in enhancing the image of the university. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants of this debate competition and wish them good luck. We also have a very distinguished panel of judges for this competition and my best wishes and regards to each one of them. The Aligarh Muslim University has been holding different events and programs to commemorate the centenary year of its glorious existence and celebrations. They have now been extended beyond 2020 to continue in 2020-21 also because of the COVID-19 pandemic. On this occasion, we recall with pride and pay fragrant tributes to the invaluable services rendered by the greatest benefactor of the community and one of the architects of modern India, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the father of Muslim intellectual renaissance. I have said earlier also, and I quote, Sir Hamilton Gibbs, a French Orientalist, characterized MAO College as the first modernist organization in Islam. First modernist organization in Islam. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, while delivering the annual convocation address in 1949, said, Sir Syed has not established a college, but also an intellectual and cultural center. In an age where social media clouds judgments, where false news is the order of the day, where knowledge needs to be freed from trapping of power, Sir Syed's emphasis on free inquiry acquires new relevance. His views on large-hearted tolerance was not an empty slogan. His own life typified this spirit. Today, when discord and misunderstanding threaten the fabric of society, that spirit of tolerance is needed more than ever. A positive outlook, an abiding hope for future, and a clear course of action characterize Sir Syed's mission. AMU and its alumni hold the dreams of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, symbolic of his indefatigable spirit of optimism, which did not accept defeat even in the face of great obstacles. Ladies and gentlemen, We have to judge a person in the era and period in which he has lived. We have to consider the message of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in today's context: political, economic, social, and educational. There are many things which will be achieved by continuous efforts of enlightened persons, and definitely not through politics. Modern scientific thought process, moderation, flexibility, adjustment is required in today's world, and especially by the minorities. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was always a practical man. He did not allow emotions or emotional idealism to overcome his thought process. He believed and practiced engagement and dialogue, and achieved results from the British government of that time which nobody could have contemplated and foreseen at that juncture. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan rightly said, the first requisite of progress of a nation is the brotherhood and unity amongst all sections of the society. Political differences will always be there in a vibrant democracy, and they should be there in a vibrant democracy. But society should be cohesive and devoid of discrimination in any form. There should be no fragmentation or schism in society. Political differences, they are separate matters. Sir Syed always realized the importance of peaceful coexistence and composite culture. I am sure that this Sir Syed Memorial Debate will definitely help in propagating the message of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan all over the world. I once again congratulate all the participants and the organizers and wish this program a grand success. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत ही अच्छी स्पीच.